What is up, you guys? We're in my living room right now. We just got in the mail all the carbon fiber for the dashboard. It just got here. It actually didn't take too long. It only took about 5 days, which is insanely fast considering I think it came from like the other side of the world or something like that. But I actually have not opened this yet. I have no idea what it looks like. I have just seen it on the website and it's gonna be insane. I have no carbon fiber pieces for my car. Like, this is the first carbon fiber pieces we're gonna be putting in there and I'm just excited. Let's get to opening it so we don't wait any longer because I'm just excited. I don't think I've held like real carbon fiber, like, you know, just like a piece of it. So here's everything. It's all, you know, padded up and everything. Oh my gosh. Bros. Okay. All right, so first thing, you guys know what this is. This is definitely the shift knob goes right here with the AC things. Let's open this up right now. So it just looks like it's taped. Let me get some scissors. I don't wanna, like, you know, destroy this. Got the scissors. I'm just gonna cut right down the center of it here, where it looks like the tape is connected. This is big. Boom. Here it is underneath the, oh man, I'm just like, I'm freaking out. Should I zoom it? Should I come a little closer? Okay, we'll look at this together. Oh man. Oh, I just got a peek of it, you guys. Oh my gosh, wait. Oh, it's so light. I forgot to say, it is so light. I mean, it's carbon fiber, so. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Here, let me come closer. Oh my gosh. The back of it, you can see like the lattice in the back, like the mesh. Listen. Oh my gosh. So, how do we put it on? All right, let's move on. Let's unbox the next piece. What do we got? You guys, this is a full box here. Okay, let's just get the next big piece, right? So here is the door that goes on the thing. Oh, this. You guys know what this is. This is gonna be the piece, the gauges go up here, the double din display and everything, and then this is the door that, you know, everyone, like the storage door. So let's open this. Oh man, this is like the biggest piece of carbon here. So I'm like actually like psyched to see this piece. This is like the #1 thing you gotta do to the interior of your car. I haven't even installed yet, but I just know this is gonna be insane. Okay, this is the moment. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No way. Check this out. Wow. Yo, you can see my face in the reflection so perfectly. Wow. This is gonna be unreal. So one thing I was noticing is this piece has a whole bunch of this adhesive stuff. Also, just so to kind of clarify, these pieces you just stick onto the dashboard of the car. You don't actually like replace any of the stock pieces, which is nice. Really just super easy to install and everything fits perfectly based on the website. I'll be the judge of that when we install it. But as you can tell, it just has this double-sided adhesive tape here. The interesting thing I did notice is that this piece for the shift knob, it doesn't actually have any adhesive tape on the back of it. So I don't know if they had just forgotten about this piece, or there's literally no way to like hook it or clip it in or attach it, even though, I mean, this is a solid enough piece to be the OEM piece. So it's like, maybe you just pop it in there. But I do know the OEM piece, it has like all kinds of clips and stuff that hold it in. So I can't imagine that's true. So we might have to run to Michael's or Walmart or something and get some really good like double-sided sticky tape just like this. So when we do stick it on, it's perfect and obviously it will stay on the car. But I'm gonna keep checking. Maybe that piece doesn't need it, but I'm pretty sure it needs it and it looks like they may have forgotten. So this is insane. This is insane. Like, I can't even believe my eyes right now. I'm gonna put this over here. So there's 2 more pieces we need to unbox. Oh, they sent us a whole bunch of Evo R stickers. If you guys want an Evo R sticker, drop a comment down below and maybe I'll send it to you. That would be pretty awesome. I'll give some of these away. But this is the last piece. This is gonna be the door that goes in the middle of like the little storage area. Pretty much this piece right here. So it goes right in that square. So that's gonna be all carbon as well. So let's open this up and check it out. The main thing I'm looking for here is like, you know, kind of like blemishes and stuff in the carbon. So let's open this up. So one thing I haven't seen is the button. There's no, like the button piece that goes, I don't know if you can see, like in the middle, there's a little button right here. Oh, it's on the back. Beautiful, it literally answered our question. I was wondering, I didn't see it in here. Check it out, you guys. Oh, beautiful carbon. All right, so here's this piece of carbon for the door. I mean, look at, yo, what's up? You can see the reflection so perfectly in this. And then here is the little carbon button. And then this is gonna go pretty much just right here in the middle. So, oh man, that's gonna be insane. Full carbon, you guys. I have no words. All right, so for the last little bit of this video, I kind of wanted to, you know, just do like an overview of the quality. So this piece is actually a lot thicker than the piece that's up there or the piece that goes on the higher part of the dash. I don't know if it's just because it's bigger, but this piece just feels really solid and that piece feels a little more flimsy. Other than that, I mean, the quality of the carbon fiber, I have no complaints. I mean, this is exactly what you'd imagine perfect carbon fiber to look like. And the edges, like I was kind of worried about the edges. I wasn't sure if they were gonna be sanded very smooth or how like, you know, the finish was gonna be. And honestly, I'm really impressed with the finish. These are all UV gel protected or gel coated, so the sun isn't gonna just destroy them instantly on the inside, which is awesome. So next thing I'm interested in is like how the fitment is, like how well the shifter fits in here, how well these little AC knobs fit, and kind of just the overall like spacing in between the different pieces. So when I do install these in the next video, I'll go over all of that. I'm gonna actually end up running to Michael's or something and picking up some adhesive strips just in the meantime before that. And yeah, overall, I think the quality is amazing. I do wanna show you guys something really cool that I noticed. So at first glance, carbon fiber looks, you know, pretty 100% solid, like you can't see through it. But it's pretty interesting actually, like you can't see through this at all. But then the crazy thing is like you go like on this side, you can kind of see the lattice in between the carbon, which is actually pretty cool. Here it is, you guys. This is the carbon fiber. We have the huge piece over there. I'm super stoked to get this installed. I do have to run to Michael's, like I said, and get some of that adhesive stripping. But overall, I'm extremely impressed with the quality of this carbon fiber. If you guys were looking to get any interior carbon fiber, check out evo-r.com. I'll put the link in the description below. None of this is sponsored. I bought all these pieces myself, and I figured I spend so much time on the interior of the 350Z, it might as well like make it my own and kind of customize everything I can. So let me know what you guys think. Is this something you would do to your 350Z? And that's pretty much it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I know we didn't do much, obviously. We're just unboxing stuff, so you guys can get an idea of what the carbon is gonna look like when we do install it in the next video or the one after. Definitely hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you do not miss that video. I'm gonna really up the quality on that one and try and make it one of my best videos to date. So definitely not gonna wanna miss that video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.